How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be running the GP40-2 around the layout and also talking about a couple things towards the end of the video. It's going to be a simple episode this week, but I hope you all still enjoy. This week I didn't really do anything on the layout. I'm kind of taking a step back to do some thinking, and I imagine that some of you can relate if you are building a model railroad of your own. I do have some crazy ideas that will probably come into fruition in the next couple of months, and of course I will let you guys know more detail as I figure it out a little bit more. There was a couple comments suggesting some better alternatives to using the rail pad, and if you are wondering, I am talking about the last upload I had on Sunday. So one of the other alternatives was balsa wood, which was mentioned by Nicholas's train channel. He has an awesome channel, I will link his down below. And the second was CRC 2-26, which was mentioned by Brian and Rail Trolley. So after a little bit of research, I have found that CRC 2-26 is a good electrical contact lubricant to clean up your rails, and also, like it says, work as a electrical contact lubricant. So I may just buy some and try some out, and if I do like that method, I'll probably use that from now on. And that's pretty much all I wanted to mention about that. Of course, you always want to do your own research to make sure that you're using the right product, because sometimes some products do cause pretty bad damage to the layout. Anyways, that is all we have time for today. If you did enjoy, please do like and subscribe to let me know that you did. And on that note, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.